Daisy Kids. Click here for more videos.
Sentence making. Make sentences using the given English words. Bell. The church bell clanged. Star. The star twinkled in the sky. Box. There is a gold watch inside the box. Chocolate. Please give me a chocolate. Seed. The seed of the plant is little bit hard. Garden. My house is surrounded by beautiful garden. Farm. Jerry lived on a farm. Story. Tom told me a fairy tale story. Ground. My cousins are lying on the ground. Positive. Think positive and stay positive.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.